Do you want to learn how to find out the square of any number starting with 5 within few seconds? In this video, we will learn how to do that. So, Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to NoorulRiazi and this is your mathematics teacher Nuruddin Qureshi. And in this video, we will learn the shortcut to find out the square of any number starting with 5. So let's start with our first example, which is the square of 52. So if we multiply them manually, so 52 multiplied by 52, so 2 into 52 makes it 104 and 5 into 52 will make it 260, and adding both rows we will get 2704. But what if we try to solve it through our shortcut? So this is the number for which we have to find out the square. So in our first step of our shortcut, we have to create columns with twice the digit count of the number. So in our number, the count of the digits is 2. So we have to make 4 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 4 columns which we will use for our calculation. Now in the second step, we have to put the square of 5, that is 25, in the left columns and the square of the remaining part in the right columns. So these are the left 2 columns, these are the right 2 columns. So we have to put the square of 5, which is 25, in the left 2 columns, and we have to put the square of the remaining part. So the remaining part is 2, the square would be 4 in the right columns. Now in the third step, we have to put the number other than 5 in the right columns of the left half. So this is the left half and this is the right column. So we have to put the part of the number other than 5. So in this number, the part other than 5 is 2. So we have to put 2 in the right column of the left half. So putting 2 will make it like this. So now all we have to do is to just add the columns. So adding them will make it 2704, which is the same answer that we have got through the manual calculation. Let's repeat the steps. In the first step, we have to make the number of columns twice the count of the digits. So we made 4 columns here. And in the second step, we have to put the square of 5, which is 25, in the left columns and the square of the other part of the number, which was 2. So the square of 4 in the right columns. Now in the third step, we put the part of the number other than 5 in the right columns of the left half. So 2 is the remaining part of the number and we have put in the right columns of the left half, and adding all these numbers, it became 2704. Now let's try another examples so that we can have a better idea. So our second example is the square of 513. Now we are taking a 3-digit number. Now let's try to find out the square through the manual calculation. So 513 multiplied by 513. So 3 into 513 will make it 1539. Then 101 into 513 will make it 513. And 5 into 513 will make it 2565. Now adding these 3 rows will make it 263,169. Now as you can see that for 3-digit number, the manual calculation was comparatively more difficult. Now if we try it using our shortcut, so this is the number for which we have to find out the square, and these were the steps which we have to follow. So now according to the first step, we have to create the columns twice as the count of these digits. So there are 3 digits, so twice of 3 would be 6. So we will make it 6 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6 columns. Now in the second step, we have to put the square of 5, which is 25, in the left columns. So square of 5, which is 25, we have put in the leftmost columns, and then we have to put the square of the remaining part in the rightmost column. So the remaining part is 13, so its square would be 169. So we will put 169 in the rightmost columns. Now in the third step, we have to put the other part, which is 13, in the right column of the left half. So these 3 columns are the left half of our columns. So we will put 13 in the right like this. Now all you have to do is to add these numbers according to their columns, so which will make it 263,169, which is the same answer that we have got through the manual calculation. So this was the shortcut for the square of any number starting with 5. I hope you liked our shortcut. If yes, then do like our video, give your feedback in the comment section and share it as much possible. And if you like the concept of NoorulRiazi, then do subscribe it and follow our Instagram page with the same handle. So see you guys in the next video.